Hello everyone, this is my week 4 project part 2 of the authentication. So first of all, my work is being already hosted on Render, and as well when I go to my GitHub I don't have any security leakages. All my security keys are being ignored using the git ignore. Okay, so the first thing I'd like to do, I'm not going to use browser because I'm already logged into GitHub. It will not show you the authentication bit with it, just take a seat. So I'm going to use the the Firefox, so I can just drop it and say login. So this should take us to my GitHub. Okay, it's logging me in. Let me just see settings, then cookies, web cookies. Yeah, let's just clear this and then log out. I want to show you how we authenticating. Then log out. Yeah, so this is what I wanted. So I'm able to just log in with my email and then my password. So not save this. I'll authenticate via my phone. So it is number 57. I'll approve it. So we should be able to log in. So we authorize. So it will show you logged in as Kinyera Alvin. So when we go to our API docs, so as I told you, I already have quite a number of collections because I'm doing this the last bit. The authentication had some few challenges, but managed to fix it. So the bubbers, when we try to do a GET request, should be able to get our information. Then when we try to post, let's say post, okay, you can just copy maybe this. Okay, let's try that out. Can just exclude this line of the ID. So I can change this to T maybe 2. Okay, and execute that. So we get a true, okay, and this was inserted. We get a 201 code, which means it was created. Then if we try to get a user by ID, that very user, we should have, let's try that out. Should have the user. We put there, if you notice this, we just inserted the 2. Okay, so when we try to delete as well, should be able to delete. Right. Okay, so this is also true, which means okay, we don't get any content. Okay, so this also works for all. Okay, when we try to get user by ID, just should be able to get a user by ID get contacts by ID. So we were to get, okay, my contacts page does not have the JSON seeded yet, so I think we're not getting that. But when we do this for the bubbers, let's get users by ID for the bubbers. Okay, yeah, so we're able to pick Charlie Brown. So this is already on my MongoDB campus. I use actually seed.js to put in this data into the MongoDB. So I have appointments, bubbers, contacts, and products. So as well, if you notice my GitHub, as I said earlier, I don't have any leakages using .gitignore to ignore those codes. So another thing, the rubric said what was that? API endpoints, data validation. Okay, let's say we're trying to put in wrong data. Okay. Okay, let's see a put request. Put. Okay, let's say we're going to put. Okay, so we're going to try to put this user. So let me just copy that, delete this. So let's say this is H. Okay, so I'm trying to put must use a valid Baba ID or update Baba ID. So this is a wrong ID that I have put, but if we use the other ID that was initially there, then we will change this to all. Yeah, so we get a 204. Okay, so what else? What else? What else? Then posts. There should be post. Let's try post. Post value. Yeah. So let's say we are posting, and then maybe we are excluding the first and last name. So I want to show you the errors that we get in case we're not doing the right thing. So we get a 400 error response, which means other fields have been excluded. So we need those fields put in place. So this actually handles all the errors, and as well we'll try and catch all that. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.